Good morning all of you. My name is Mahi. I study in 10th standard. Firstly, I would like to thank to Miss Preeti ma'am to giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Today we are here for a wonderful presentation on the topic of acid, base and salts. There are various material in our surrounding and we classified them into three parts, that is acid, base and salt. So firstly, on the basis of their taste. Acid. This substance which are found to be a sour in taste is known as acid. Sour in taste. For example, orange and lemon. Now base. This substance which are found to be as bitter in taste is known as base. Bitter. For example, soap. According to the taste, acid which are sour in taste and bases which are bitter in taste. Now we classified on the basis of litmus paper test. In acid, this substance in which blue litmus paper turns into red and this will indicate the acidic solution. Blue to red. And in base, this substance in which red litmus paper turns into blue and this will indicate the basic solution. Red to blue. Now we classified acid and base on the basis of the pH paper test. Firstly, pH means concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. We will use pH paper to identify the given solution is of acid and base. In acid, this substance in which pH value lies between 0 to 7. For example, HCl and H2SO4. This is hydrochloric acid and this is sulfuric acid. Now base, this substance in which pH value lies between 7 to 14 is classified as basic in nature. For example, NaOH and MgOH twice. This is sodium hydroxide and this is magnesium hydroxide. Secondly, we discuss about neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acid react with base to form salt and water. Acid react with base to form salt and water. For example, acid HCl plus base NaOH. This is hydrochloric acid and this is sodium hydroxide base. When they combine, they form salt which is NaCl plus water. NaCl, this is salt and this is water. Now we classified about types of salt. Some salts are behave like acid and some are base. So on the basis of this, when strong acid combine with strong base, they form neutral salt plus water. When strong acid combine with strong base, they form neutral salt plus water. Second, when weak base combine with weak acid, they also form neutral salt plus water. Third one is when strong acid combine with weak base, they form acidic salt. Acidic salt plus water. And fourth one is when strong base combine with weak acid, they form basic salt plus water. This is all. Hope you all understand and listen carefully. Thank you.